Hey students, it's Mr. Wilson here. Just wanted to show you guys how you can easily submit your Tinkercad files into Canvas. So first you're going to want to make sure that you are in Tinkercad with your submission for your tutorial. Now this is only for tutorials. Then you'll also want a tab open with the assignment. So let's say we're doing the chess pawn tutorial. We've just completed the chess pawn tutorial in here, and I just need to be able to check this off with you to make sure that you follow the steps correctly. And so what you're going to do first is up here in the top right corner, there's a little button right here that I call the Collaborate button. It looks like a person with a plus sign. You're going to go ahead and click on that. It'll bring up the Collaborate tab bar, or the pop-up. Then you're going to click on this blue copy link right here. And then you've got the link copied. You're going to go into your assignment, and you're going to click on the blue Submit Assignment button up here. And tutorial assignments will only ask for that web URL, which is what you copied, that link you copied from the other page. So you'll click in here and you'll paste that Control V, or if you need to right click your mouse, you can also click on Paste. Either one will work. And then you'll click on Submit Assignment. Once you've done that, I will have the link to be able to grade your assignment. There you go. Good luck.